Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to launch my parachuter with my hairspray cannon. Check this out. Okay, for this demonstration, of course I'm using my toy parachuter, a tennis ball, this is like a ramrod, my hairspray cannon, and of course, hairspray. Okay, to load our hairspray cannon, what we're going to do is we're going to put a tennis ball in the barrel and we're going to ram it down all the way. And then we're going to put our parachute toy in after that. And we're going to ram him down all the way before we put in the hairspray. The hairspray serves as the propellant, and this part of the cannon is the combustion chamber. The piezoelectric switch on the end starts the combustion reaction. Okay, we're ready to load the combustion chamber. Just adding some hairspray. We're gonna screw the cap on. And then we're gonna launch our parachuter in 3, 2, 1. So the first person to be launched from a cannon was Rosa Richter in 1877 in London. She was only 17 years old and she went on to tour with P.T. Barnum. Now since then, David Smith Jr. holds the Guinness Book of World Records for the highest human cannonball and the furthest human cannonball flight. He started when he was just 19 years old. Let's talk about how the hairspray cannon works. Hairspray is mostly ethanol, and when ethanol combusts, it mixes with oxygen in a combustion reaction. So if you look at your reactant, C2H5OH, that's ethanol, and O2 is oxygen. When those reactants come together in a combustion reaction, they create CO2, that's carbon dioxide, and water vapor, H2O. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.